Good morning, everyone. My name is Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another video for you this morning. I'm going to turn over to Kathy, and we're going to show you guys what sold for us today.
Good morning. All right. This is the last 2 days' worth. Yesterday we did our 100 item video, which may or may not be going up before. I think not, right?
No, I think this one's going to be going up tomorrow because that one I have to edit.
Take a little bit longer.
And that's going to take a lot more time to edit, so I don't think I'm going to have time to put that up tomorrow.
Stay tuned for that. But yeah, we were doing that all day, so we did not get any shipping out. First thing I sold was this Tucker and Tate. This was my son's like little shacket. I don't remember where I got it or what I paid for it, but I sold it for $15 on Poshmark, so making back about $12. I probably paid less than that.
Cool.
I think I bought that at a JBF sale, so I'll do a Tyvek mailer.
Tyvek mailer it is.
Alrighty, box J, another kiddo item.
You okay?
So the Stella McCartney Kids, this was also my son's sweatshirt. I bought it off the RealReal, so I did pay $39 for it, but I sold it for $40 on Posh, and he did get some wear out of it, so making back about $32. Do another Tyvek. Okay, got a viewer sale going out to Cameron, so AJ. Yeah, this was one of my personal items. We're just selling out everything from our own house today.
Hey, we're getting that money back, right?
Okay. So this was a LuLaRoe shirt. I bought it off Poshmark. I had $13.74 into it. Cameron bought it for $25 on Posh, so thank you so much.
Cameron, thank you so much for the support. We do appreciate that.
All right, box of W. That feels like one of the older bags. That was like the really nice quality
Oh,
ones.
the super thick one?
Yeah, those were nice bags. I hate that they keep getting rid of.
Yeah, like why can't they just stay in stock?
Yeah. So this is a Men's Vineyard Vines button-up. I bought for $5.99. It sat for a while, so it ended up selling for $17.97 plus shipping. First class. What did we get? Let's do a sun here. Oh, and Cameron's. I'll probably do a Tyvek. AU. My hair's in my chapstick. Alright. Kamek snow boots. Yeah, these sold yesterday while we were doing the challenge. I was secretly hoping like nothing would sell so that I could because in the beginning of our video, the video was listing 105 items. So
yeah.
I was perfectly at what was it, $11.95. So I was going to be right at 1,300 items at the end, so I could at least be like, see? But yeah, stuff sold, obviously.
Darn, things sold.
Yeah. These, though, have been listed probably a year and a half, so I'm very glad these sold.
Nice, yeah.
They're Kamek, which is, I would pick these, I can't say I'd pick up this size. It's a toddler 5, so a barely walking, maybe 1-year-old type baby. They sat forever, but if it was anything like a size 7 or above, I definitely would. Anyways, paid $5.50, sold for $19.96 plus shipping, so still made about a $10 profit. Just took a very long time. Get a cute little smiley mailer. Okay, CM.
Yeah, we were up till past midnight last night.
Yeah.
Closing up that video. Just how our schedule worked out that way, but
yeah, I'm glad to get it done. Otherwise, I'd have been doing it right now, which I'm happy to not be doing. These are the boots that a few videos ago I mentioned. Oh, I wish these would sell because I just keep getting weird questions or low offers on them.
Oh, right, yeah.
So they're a really nice pair of Camper, which is a great brand to look out for. Just like a Chelsea boot. I don't know why. These retail for close to $200, if not just over $200. And they're in great shape. I priced them, I think, around $79.95 or so. They ended up selling for $57 plus shipping on eBay. That's an offer I sent to a watcher, and it actually went through global shipping. So I did check. It was going to Australia, and all in the buyer was $112. But yeah, all the offers I was getting on these on Posh were $30, and I'm just they're worth more than $30. So
yeah,
glad the right buyer finally came along.
Awesome. Even though they were halfway around the world, huh?
So even still, 112. I mean, it sounds like a lot, but I feel like that's a good deal for those.
Yeah.
Those aren't currently on the camper site, so. And Chelsea boots are kind of popular right now.
Speaking of global shipping program, have you heard anything about it going away?
I feel like I was watching Lonnie.
Yeah, that's where I think I saw it too.
And not that it was going away, but they're
making some changes. I didn't actually watch the video, so the clickbait just might be.
And I listen, but not really, like not enough to like understand without going back and rewatching. So it seemed like everything was the same. They just maybe were renaming it. So.
Okay. Okay, well then never mind.
If we do find out, we'll let you know. We do have a live tonight. Obviously, you'll be seeing this video after our live, but those are places we like learn stuff every week, just like that's going on, because we don't necessarily know.
The secret is, guys, we do our lives so that we learn stuff.
Yeah, and then we can pass it along. All right, this is a viewer sale actually as well, going out to Sherry. Pair of men's Carhartt jeans, $14.98 plus shipping. I did originally pay $10.99 for these, so I'm about maybe making $1 or $2, but I'm very glad that Sherry picked them up. And I don't know, I still love Carhartt. The jeans don't do as well as I would hope that they would. The work pants, like the double knee ones, are good. Obviously the outerwear is great.
Yeah, vintage.
Yeah, any like super basic stuff like jeans, t-shirts, it's okay, but not great. So
you said Sherry, thank you so much for that support. We do appreciate that.
Yeah, I'm probably just gonna be looking for Carhartt like jean basics if I find them at the bins, but otherwise just not. Sorry, I can't remember what I was packing these in. Oh, padded flour. Here I am just grabbing a bunch of things.
Yeah, pretty much the workwear when it comes to Carhartt. The more workier, the better.
Yes. All right, I did sell this little guy.
Yeah, you sold
to someone in Colorado.
The Klingon something.
Alien beans, Klingon targ.
A targ.
Well, anyways, I got this guy from the bins, which obviously it weighs nothing, so it probably costs nothing, but at the bins I do average my cost of goods, meaning if I spent $60 on 60 items, I just say each item was $1.
Yeah.
So this day, each item was $1.98, so I probably got some heavier boots or something that day. So anyways, $1.98 into $5.88 plus shipping, so not amazing, but I think I made like $3 profit, and I mean, if I just bought him, it'd have been like 12 cents probably.
Right. So. And like that's a way we kind of help reduce our overall average cost of goods.
Right. If I didn't get that, and I just bought a bunch of boots, it'd be like $5.
Yeah. So you spend a little bit more, you get, you sell that for $4, but then you're also making more profit on those boots that were heavier. So that's how we look at it.
This would sell, it's Star Trek. I knew it probably wasn't worth a ton when I grabbed it, but I like listing this stuff. It's super easy and it does sell. So I think just having things in your shop that sell, even if you're like break even almost, just still helps your store. All right. These are a pair of frame jeans I got from Nordstrom Rack when they were doing a super duper sale. I paid $10, sold for $31.96 plus shipping. Those are going in a padded flat rate. Okay, CN got a viewer sale. We had several viewer sales. Thank you guys so much.
Thank you so much, everyone.
These are going out to Penny. Some Skechers tie-dye sneakers I bought for $9.99. Penny offered $30. I was happy to accept. She said she just loves our videos and loves me and you and our boys. So that was really sweet.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for the support. And speaking of support, I think we'll add it in here. We did have some Buy Me a Coffees, and we also had a super chat. So,
all right. So I don't know your name, but thank you so much. Shop Cloth and Oak bought us 3 coffees and said, we just wanted to say thanks for the spreadsheet. My friend and I opened an online women's boutique, which is clothandoak.com, if anyone wants to check that out, for which we utilize your spreadsheet. In addition, I'm a part-time reseller, which is how they found our videos.
Yeah.
I watch every vid and appreciate your all's knowledge. Thank you so much.
Awesome.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Well, that's cool that you use our spreadsheet for something like kind of completely different. Not completely, but.
Right. No, yeah. It's interesting because originally when I made the spreadsheet, all I did was Google like how to make a dashboard. And there was a gentleman on YouTube that showed you how to make basically the same dashboard. I just added a few bells and whistles to make it kind of ours. And I do have that credited in the original spreadsheet video, but it was Hustle Sheets here on YouTube. And if you are interested in any kind of spreadsheet, like he's like a guru with that kind of stuff. So I'm not a spreadsheet guru. I just used what he showed and applied it for reselling. So yeah, it makes perfect sense that it can be applied in other businesses and stuff like that. So that's cool.
Yeah, so if anybody else wants one, we're coming up at the end of the year, so if you want to start fresh for the next year.
Yeah, and I'm gonna put out some video closer towards the end of the year to show how to transfer the inventory over and all that kind of stuff for tax purposes, so you know what your inventory cost and all that stuff is. So that'll come out more towards January, and I don't know, it might be a short, might not. It might be just a unlisted video. I don't know.
Just remembering the last short we
I know,
tried.
no, yeah.
That kind of stuff feels like it needs slower explained or something.
I mean, it was all explained in the how-to video, but I think just a dedicated video is going to be helpful for everyone. So,
all right. So I did want to also thank, man, it doesn't have your name here either. It has your screen name. So Good Finds for You, 22, gave $5, said, thanks, I made a sale from the shout out the other day. Thank you so much. Happy holidays once again. Love your videos.
Awesome.
Thank you so much.
Glad the shout out could give you some good juju or however that works.
Yeah, let us know. What'd you sell?
Yeah. Thank you so much for that support.
Yes.
We do appreciate all of that, guys. You guys are the best community here on YouTube for sure.
For sure.
So what do you got there?
Some Nike Air Max, and these were missing their laces, but I still took a chance on them. Bought for $9.99, sold for $31 plus shipping on Mercari. So those are going UPS, so I'll grab a brown box after. Okay, DL. Oh, yay. I'm glad I sold this just because it kind of fits awkwardly in this box.
Oh, yeah. Sold was this like a wind sock or something?
Yeah, I think so.
A wind?
Balloon with spinner tail.
A balloon sock? A wind balloon?
So there's that. I bought this at the bin, so I have $1.83 cost of goods. Sold it for $12 on Poshmark. So I didn't expect it to sell for a ton.
Right.
12 was more than I was thinking it was going to sell for. I'm glad it sold on Posh though, because even though it's not heavy, this is like I just don't want it to break.
Yeah.
I probably would have shipped it in a poly if it sold on eBay with like bubble wrap, and now we can keep it a little safer. Which I don't know how exactly at the moment, because maybe a regional B flat box, we'll see. Okay. CY is over here. This is another viewer sale. You guys are being too generous. All right, these are going out to our viewer, Christy. Just bought something the other day, so thank you again, Christy. Some Trotter sandals. I bought them for $5.99. Christy bought them for $31 with discount shipping, so thank you so much.
Awesome. Christy, thank you so much for the continued support.
Yes.
We do appreciate it all.
This box, probably regional A flat. Okay, and two more hanging item. Sold this Woolrich fleece. I bought that for $5.99 like last year, so it did sit a while. Finally sold for $14.98 plus shipping, so not the hugest profit, but glad to see it moving
Yeah.
along. All right, and then lastly, CF. Pair of
Oh.
UIN shoes. So I've sold a few pair of these now. They're all kind of, these ones are super colorful. The other ones have had like a cute animal on them, or they all just have like really cool colorful patterns pretty much. Super lightweight. They almost feel like nothing, like if you didn't really know what they were. The first pair I found was just cute, and I just was like, these are so cute, I have to look them up, and thankfully I did. But yeah, if you just felt them, you'd probably be like, oh, these are cheap quality. Like,
Right. Usually weight kind of signifies quality, but
So yeah. Anyways, these always do pretty well. I paid $7.99 for these. This pair sold for $35 plus shipping. I've sold others $40 to $50. So Yeah, I would say at least 30.
Cool.
Bolo. I would call them a bolo. I do think the sell-through's over 100% on them. So.
And you said UIN is the brand?
Yeah, I don't know what it means.
Is like an acronym or something?
I'm sure it is. Yeah, I don't know.
Okay. If I do happen to see what it is, I'll put it on the screen just to help. So yeah, let's get the stuff all packed up and then we'll close it out. Really?
You do stuff like as if we planned for you to do that stuff, Reese.
All right, guys, got everything all packed up on the table. We had one decent sale come through, right? It's a pretty good sale.
It is. I love this brand. I was so excited when I spotted these. Especially because they're red and it's Christmas season. These are Halflinger, which is a great brand to look out for. They're like wool clogs, mules, slippers.
Yeah.
They retail for a lot. This pair sold for $54 plus shipping.
Sweet.
Just a couple days of being listed.
Alrighty.
We'll do a shoebox on those, but that's about it for today.
It is Thursday. This is our
Do whatever
day. So
Today we're going to the bins.
yeah,
So that's
we
what
are
we're gonna do. So we're excited to get out of here.
gonna go to the Benz. Definitely gonna make a video, show you guys what we find and all that. So look forward to
So
that.
I'm excited.
What's that? I'm coming.
He's
Yeah.
coming. So normally I go alone, but
You can't come. No, you have to stay here and sleep. But it is December, so Kathy was about to work on the calendar, but
I didn't have time
we
this morning.
ran out of time this morning.
I don't want to use my time this morning, I guess.
Makes sense. So we're gonna take the stuff off to the post office, head to the Benz, and tonight we have a live. So hopefully you guys made it to our live. We didn't go last week because it was Thanksgiving, but we're gonna be on there this week and excited to see you all there. If you didn't make it, make sure you come check out our live every Thursday night, Mountain Time at 8 p.m. So 8 p.m. Mountain Time, that's Colorado, or is that the same as Central? I don't know.
I don't think so.
It might be different than Central. I don't know how time zones
Until
work.
they change the payment savings.
Yeah, for sure. So, guys, thank you so much for all of the amazing support today. We do appreciate that, and we'll see you guys next time.